In this lesson, we will do some more questions related to linear equations, but the question is a little bit different compared to last lesson. In this type of linear equation, you have a fraction. See, 2 over 3, or if I say 2 over 3, it means 2 divided by 3y is equal to 1 divided by 8. So in this type of linear equation, we have fraction and variable. So this is called the left hand side of the equation. This is the right hand side of the equation. And the same process means same thing. You have to find out the value of y, variable. And you can have any letter for variable just like x, y, z, a, b, c or whatever you like, right? So again, we will start this type of linear equation. 2 over 3, 2 divided by 3y is equal to 1 over 8. First of all, we will see what we can do because we need only y on the left hand side. We want to calculate or we want to find out the value of this variable y. So we do not want 2 over 3. So how we will remove this 2 over 3? First of all, you have to see what is the relationship of this 2 over 3 with y. Is there any positive sign? Is there any negative sign? No, there is nothing. It means there is multiplication, and we represent multiplication by dot. If you will see dot, it means multiplication. If you will see, everyone knows this is the multiplication sign as well, right? But there is no need to show this sign here. I am just explaining that if you do not have any sign, any operation between the variable and this fraction, it means there is multiplication. So what is the inverse of multiplication? Divide, right? How we can remove this? If I multiply this 2 over 3 with 3 over 2, because this is the fraction. This is the fraction and you have to inverse it, 3 over 2. What will happen in this way? So see this is the multiplication and this is coming here and this is here. It is, you can do the cross multiplication like this, 2 one time, 2 one time, 2 3 one time, 3 one time. You can divide like this, numerator and denominator, but never cut like numerator to numerator or denominator or no. Cross, right? Multiplication sign is like this. So this and this, yes, you can do this and this, you can do this and this, but no numerator, no denominator. But I told you whatever operation you will do on the left side or either side, you have to do on the other side as well. So here we did 3 over 2. We will do the same operation, multiplication. I am not saying that here I am doing positive or negative. Same, whatever you did on the left side, you have to do on the right side. So here on your left side, now we have only y left. On your right side, multiply this. See, this is the multiplication. You can see if you divide anything, no, we cannot divide. So multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So it will be 3, 8, 2 times 16. And this is the value of the y's requirement of the question. Now I told you the beauty of this question is you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. How? Just put this 3 over 16 instead of this y in the question. This is the question. I will show you here. See, 2 over 3 is in the question and then multiplication y. What is the value of y? 3 over 16. And on right side we have 1 over 8. And then you can see whether you can divide anything or not. See, 3 one time, 3 one time, 3. Yes, you can cut. See, again I will show you the multiplication sign is like this. So you can cut like this. You can do like this as well. You can do like this numerator denominator, but never numerator or denominator here. 2 one time and 2 8 times. So in the case of multiplication, you have to multiply numerator to numerator. It is 1 and 1 and 8, 1 8 times 8. So on the left side we have 1 over 8, on the right side we have 1 over 8. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. We proved it. It means this answer is right. So in the linear equation, you can plug the value of the required variable in the question. Both sides should be same. It means your answer is same. Sorry, your answer is correct. Okay, another question. 2 over 4 y, here is the same variable y, over 1 over 8. So what we have to do first, you have to see, we want only y on the left hand side. We do want to see what is the relationship between these two. Multiplication. I am not going to put multiplication sign here. I am just explaining. No sign between these two, y and fraction, it means multiplication. So you have to divided 4 over 2. Same, this is the fraction on the left side, 4 over 2. Why 4 over 2, not 2 over 2? If it is 2 over 2, we cannot cancel out. Inverse it. This should be now numerator, 2 would be a denominator then. So same operation, 4 over 2, you have to do on your right hand side as well. So this will cancel out each other. We have only y on the left hand side. Here you can see 4 1 time 4, 4 2 time 8. So here on numerator you have only 1 left. In denominator 2 2 times 4, 1 over 4. So this is the value of y. And you can prove it. How? I will show you. Write down question 2 over 4. Instead of this y, we can write down 1 over 4. Dot means multiplication. 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 8. 2 1 time 2, 2 2 time 4. So in the numerator you have only 1. Denominator 4 2 times 8. So 1 over 8 again is equal to 1 over 8. Both sides should be exactly same. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side and your answer is correct. One more question. 4 over 8 a equal to 2 over 4. So what you have to do, we want only a. Now the variable is a and the relationship between a and 4 over 8 is multiplication. So you have to multiply by 8 over 4 in order to remove this, because 4 will cross with 4, 8 will 8, but the same 8 over 4, do not forget, this is the important thing. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side as well. So only a is here is equal to 4 1 time 4 4 2 time 2 1 time 2 2 time 2 1 time 2 1 time. So the value of a is 1. Prove it. I will show you here how. 4 over 8, whether it is right or wrong. So value of a we have calculated 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 over 4. So 1 means 4 1 time 4. So 4 1 time, sorry, 2 2 time 4, or yes, and 2 4 time 8, 2 over 4 2 over 4. But if you want further, it is okay. If answer is right, 2 over 4 is equal to, but if you want, you can simplify it more. So it will be 1 over 2, or same thing, 2 1 time 2 2 time 1 over 2. But you can check your answer till here. This is also fine and this is also fine. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. You have proved it. And I told you that you can check linear equation. You can check by plugging the variable value in the question. You can find out if left hand side is equal to right hand side exactly. It means your answer is correct. So these are the two practice problem, but an answer are also here. But you have to solve question first and then see your answers. If you still do have any question, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sci My Academy. Thanks for watching.